Hi, I'm Keijo and I'm an apprentice from Oxford Space Systems, and I'm just going to talk about why I got into apprenticeship and just the benefits and, well, disadvantages, but I don't really see many disadvantages. Um, I got into an apprenticeship when I was 16. I did not want to do A-levels. I did not want to sit at a desk anymore and go to uni. I was bored. I did not like the fact we were all following each other around in these classrooms. Had enough of it. I pretty much started searching around. My school was very A-levels, A-levels, A-levels. Never heard of any other opportunity. Very rare about college either. So basically, I was looking around, ended up signing up for a college called OAS. And I one day got an email back from them saying Oxford Space Systems is really interested in you. I would like to meet you. And I was like, what? I ran into my mum and I was like, I found a space thing, they like me. And my mum was like, okay, right, where are we starting this now? Ended up going for my first interview and I learned a lot there. I had no engineering background. I had a lot of education to catch up on. I didn't really start properly until I was 13, so the whole principle of school was very new to me. I did have primary school and all that, but it wasn't proper. Education in Ireland's quite difficult at times. So I went to the interview and I was like, okay, where are we starting? And they pretty much put all these tools in front of me and equipment. I sat there and I went, I don't know what they are, but tell me, I want to learn what they are. I want to know what they are. And from there, I ended up getting my second interview. I was an hour and a half late. Let's say it takes me about an hour and a half to get there. Left 3 hours early. Got stuck in a lot of traffic. But yeah, I ran in. I was like, okay, I'm here now. I'm sorry what happened. Just kept my cool. It went amazing. I was getting the bus back and everything to home, and I got a phone call saying, right, we want to meet you, but you do live quite far away. We want to have you in apprenticeship. And they were very helpful. But I had like 2 weeks to find a house by myself. I was 16 as well, so it was quite hard. I pretty much, my mum helped me. We searched around, and my mum's partner as well, and we ended up finding this lovely lady who like rents out a room. So I stayed in her place for a little while. So from there I had to pay rent, pay for my own food, wash, clean, cook and everything all of a sudden at age 16. Obviously I did that before. I always helped out my mum. But from here on adult life was here now. It was amazing though. First year of college was just college. No, I was at work like in midterms kind of thing. But yeah, it was pretty much, I learned to use lathes, mills, how to, file, sand, all the rest, learned about electronics, just mechanical principles. It was just pretty much college, but a lot more practical. Then from there, we also did a few competitions. We did the National Apprenticeship competition, where we had to design and develop transportable vehicle for Mars. That was amazing. And a few other things like that. Then it was my first year of proper work, so second year into college, my apprenticeship, and it was just pretty much, I'm working now. They would show me this project, and they're like, right, off you go, do it. And well, I guess I better explain what I do at Oxford Space Systems. In my job roles, manufacturing, assembly, integration, testing technician. So I pretty much assemble and test antennas and space structures, and then we give them back to customers, and then they send it off in space. It's quite cool. I'm trying to learn a lot, and I'm only in my third year. I worked on a lot of antennas alongside other insane engineers, and it's quite a small company. There's only like 50 of us now. So it was a lot of we get a lot of one-on-one like time with engineers. It's not like we're being pushed around the place like, right, this is this and this and this. So I learned a lot just being around engineers, just watching them, seeing what they're doing. But a lot of the time they were like, right, you're the head engineer, off you go, you're doing it now. Obviously they were watching me, making sure I wasn't exploding anything. But yeah, no, that was awesome. Then now in my third year, I've well, I'm 19 now. I've done a lot. I've now bought my own house. I've bought my own car. I know how to drive. Just due to the fact I'm doing an apprenticeship, the fact I'm getting paid alongside it, I can have an education that's free. I don't have to pay a penny. And it's the same, I'll be getting up to a uni degree in the end, so I don't see what's so bad about them. And like I said, I get paid for it. Like I said, I own my own home, and I was 18 when I bought the house, so it was insane. Alongside my partner, obviously, we help each other out, and yeah, it's been amazing. I've done loads of competitions, stuff like I'm an engineer, which is just talking to students, and just things like that. And then from there, I've taught Mars workshops to Palestinian students over Skype, and any money I'm an engineer competition gave me £500 because I ended up winning it, and that went towards the student scholarships, as they don't really have as many opportunities like we do over here with like apprenticeships and all that. And now I'm in my third year. Well, I'm heading into my fourth really soon, and it's amazing. I can't ask for better. I'm doing work life now. I'm not terrified for it now anymore. I'm learning how business life works, and I'm enjoying life on the side. I'm not working weekends as well, drinking loads of coffee, trying to panic. I'm enjoying life. I can be happy, and also have puppies and rabbits and other animals now, so I've already got a collection. But yeah, no, it's genuinely remarkable. And like I always say, I can't say every apprenticeship in the world's amazing, like not every university is the best in the world, but it's an amazing opportunity. And everyone always asks me, what if you don't like the apprenticeship? Then I turn around and say, but why are you going to uni? You're paying a huge fund, and what if you don't like it? Then you've still got a debt behind you. Whereas for me, if I don't like it, I've got savings behind me that I can go on to do something else, or even find another apprenticeship. Like there's a few people in other apprenticeships at the college I go to who are like 30. Like there's still opportunities out there. So if you don't like it, you can go on to something else without still being in debt. Well, obviously you have to keep your savings. But yeah, I love it, and I want to go on to more once this is done. I want to go on to I love Mars. Don't know much about it, but I just love just planets, I guess, and I really want to get into research in that area. And because of an apprenticeship, you learn context, you start learning about people, and learn just other businesses out there. So from there, you can just really, people start to learn who you are, and your voice starts getting heard a lot more. Whereas after uni, you don't have a job, you don't have a guaranteed job, and then you have to already start learning, putting your voice out there. Whereas it's already out there. I've met loads of people, and I've been so fortunate to meet so many amazing people. I'm an ambassador for Oxlep, and I get to go to schools and everything, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity they gave me, because I get to go and meet students and tell them that, life's not scary, there's so much more out there, you just got to get past school. And then, it doesn't stop then, you're not work, life, sleep, you can do whatever you want with life, and if you hate it, go find something else. It's not that difficult. So yeah, I just say overall it's been a remarkable experience. Looking forward to the last year, and then from there, I don't know. I've got so many opportunities I want to take that I have to find one that I need to go down first. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty much it. Well, thank you for listening, and have a good day. Thank you.